Open the cover where you access the cartridges, and the carriage should move to the center. Push in the lever on the cartridge to lift it from the slot. Remove the cartridges from the packaging. The appearance of compatible cartridges may vary, but this won't impact the functionality. We'd recommend opening the cartridges over an old surface to prevent any damage caused by excess ink. Avoid squeezing the cartridges, as this can cause the ink to leak. Remove the yellow pull tab on the cartridge, then push the cartridge lever to remove the orange clip. Hold the cartridge with the ink absorber faced up until you put it into the machine. Slide the cartridge into the slot, push down until it clicks into place, and you're all set.